Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this doorbell, this wireless doorbell. So we are going to plug this part in. So we're going to go over here and plug it in. We've got a volume button and we can change, there's the volume button and we can change the tone. Here's the remote. I did have to pull a little piece of plastic out to activate the battery. So now when I press the remote, I get a light and a tone. So I can turn the volume all the way off so that when you ring the doorbell, all you get is the light. Press it again. And then if I want to cycle through all the different tones, I don't have to press the remote. It's just going to cycle through them. So now when I press the doorbell, it's going to do, there is a blue light that lights up around this also. So it does come with these two adhesive pads. You can stick it to the wall. The remote is right at 2.5, sticks out from the wall about 5/8, left to right 1.25 inches. You know, this is going to stick out from the wall about 1 inch, and it's 2.5. It's about a 2.5 by 2.5 square. Again, here's what it looks like. I don't think it doesn't rotate or anything. It is really loud. So the remote takes a battery, a CR2032. So let's see, there's a little lip here. We can pull up on this little lip. Yeah, get like a screwdriver and just kind of pry that up a little bit. There's the battery, there's the inside of it. Now to get the battery out, you're just going to simply kind of like a screw, like a pin, and just kind of move it this way so it'll come out, and then put the new one in, positive side up. There's a place for the battery, so you're going to kind of line that up and snap it on. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.